Okay, today we're going to take a look at the new Ingersoll Rand w7150 cordless impact wrench. Comes with the impact wrench, a 3 amp hour lithium ion battery with a battery level indicator and a fast charger. All up, the tool weighs just under 7 pounds, which is just 1 pound more than the Ingersoll Rand 231 air impact wrench, which weighs in at 6 pounds. The tool is rated at 800 foot-pounds removal torque, making it the most powerful impact wrench in the market. Has some nice rubber bumpers here for dropping, aluminum nose case, a hog ring square drive, nice high quality, conveniently located metal forward and reverse button, feathering trigger for application of power, good venting for the motor. Nice looking package.